Díagwit agus fáilte go dtí tasc oibre ihre dó. Cearclóir. So, féchan seo, anam an dalta, scríb de anam, dáta, scríb an dáta, múntóir mo anam. So scríb isteach Adam an sin. Okay? Now, an chéad tasc an seo ná clúas tuiscint. Okay? So clúas tuiscint an seo, agus an seo. Okay? So, éist le seo, so brew an seo. Okay? Press down there. That'll bring you to here. Pauper B. Sample B. Okay? Sample B, and there's your each one there. Okay? So
Scrúdú deire na sraithe sóisiirí.
Scrúdú deire na sraithe sóisiirí.
Okay, just a little introduction, and then on you go then to a dó, a trí, a cahar, agus a cuaig. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, Lanaroig. So, clús tuiscint, sin ceist a hain, sin ceist a dó, agus a trí, an seo, agus an seo. Okay? So, you've done these before, guys. Níl sé seo nua. You did very well in these in your break Scrúdú, in your mock. Okay, so no reason why you can't do just as well on it now. Okay. Now, Ryan B, Leiv agus Capadóracht, tá Leiv Hiskent an seo. Alright, Unad Sport Ishke, Cursa Sauri, Ackle, Muyo. Okay, so Keshtana an Shin, tá an Tonad seo sitje, I Gunde Vio, Fear no Bregoch. True or false? Okay. Lu Gá Sport is féidir dhéanamh cuasa B. Gá Sport, cuasa B. Céimhéad a cusníonn cuasa B. Okay. Raig leat, go dtí ceist sé. Okay. So seo an riamh fust. Is tusa Olivia no Oscar sna picture hias. Scríomh riamh fust chuig caralaat atá ina cónaí, thar lear faoi rudaí a tharla sna picture hangadí car. Thar lear, beidir sa rank, beidir sa spáin. Okay? So chuig ó ábhar. Okay? So cad a tharla sa picture. Inis an scale. Tell the story. Okay? Use your bríomhre san aimsir chatte. Okay, you've loads and loads of briefers and I'm sure chacha, husig me, hui me, dip me, dol me, hunig me, vul me. Loads of them you can use there. Form a couple of sentences for yourselves and tell what you can and try and pick up some marks. Okay? Keshti were shocked. Leiv Hiskent, Arish, Féile Lauer, Salon du Livre. Cá a mai an éile Lauer or shoe. Okay, so look at your keywords that I'm going to give you for these. Cáthach would be one of those that you'll need to know in order to be able to answer these questions. Okay, Ceistena an seo, céin dáta a chosóí an éile, cad a deirtar faoi na híana speisialta, luig í speisialta, cé uha an mai a mai tú ábalta cóirla a lurig, céird a bhaid le fálam, céin price, conas is féidir tille óla se all. What leat féin dul chuig an bhéile leabhar seo. Okay, so tá a lán ceistena an seo. There are lots of questions here. If you give up after one or two, you probably won't get as many marks as if you persevere and answer as many as you can. Even if one or two of them are just a guess, you've a far better chance of doing well in this. Okay, on a what? Ceiste hocht. Níl sé seo nua. You've done plenty of these. Okay, so takes chatrucht an seo. Okay, ceiste for a de Leiv Hiskent faoin buachail seo Aidan Harris. Okay, céin dáta brethe atá ag Aidan, carab asta Aidan, céin an kisfella I maileach lia immer Aidan lei, céin dáta a raibh a héal I America Jackar dó, céin fá a raibh sé Jackar dó. Okay. Níos mó ceistena an sin, and then what you got there down at the end is scríomh blog garage faoi cluiche aigen a bhí ar siúl le déine. Okay. An cluiche a bhí ar siúl. So bhí tú ag cluiche scríomh blog faoi sin an áit a raibh an cluiche ar siúl. Na fórne nó na himróirí a bhí páirteach ann, cé a chuaigh leat. An rud a bear leat faoin cluiche, rud a bháin nóir hahan leat faoin cluiche. Ceistimhar a 11, bhí tú ag ceolcuirm le déine, scríomh alt, write a paragraph, I ggur iris leabhar na scoile for the school paper ag cur síos ar an ceolcuirm sin. Okay, so you were at a ceolcuirm, use the pictures to guide you and maybe talk about different things that happened, that you saw, that you did. Okay, and did you enjoy it and all of that. Okay, agus sin é. Anna wa, gan éirí leat.